Why must I suffer so? Please, help me, God.
Plant these mysterious seeds in the darkest corner of the forest, and work hard to get her what.
Wow!
I'm rich now. I'll do some things for poor. I will build school and free hospitals.